Hi beautiful souls, glass skin over 50 is achievable. In this tutorial I show you what I do to prepare my skin for a really beautiful makeup look. And I've also included a few tricks and tips from my professional toolkit for you, such as how to achieve the perfect eyeliner, conceal droopy eyelids, and most importantly create a truly beautiful look. This makes the skin look plump, healthy and full. I will guide you to the video step by step and I'll show you how you can get a natural, beautiful makeup look with minimal effort. Preparation is really half of the battle. If your skin is too dry, makeup can look patchy and you won't achieve that glass skin look. I currently swear by Sisley Rose Cream. It's my absolutely dream cream. I suffered from really terrible skin reaction, allergic reaction, and with this cream my skin has calmed down and it feels beautiful. After that I use Dermalogica Moisture Cream. It goes on quickly and it doesn't leave my skin too oily. It's the perfect base for my makeup. My skin is perfectly prepared and ready to go for the makeup. I massage the cream in a little bit, so I really press it into the skin. And I do this with both textures, so they can dance together. Give the cream the chance to melt into your skin. I use a makeup brush because I want the skin to get fresh and to look healthy, and make sure that you work very well and put it on your eyelids, on your nostrils and everywhere on the face. I don't like it when the face looks overdone, so I just use a small amount of makeup. And I don't use concealer. Instead of this, I use long-lasting makeup from Shiseido Sports. The texture blends well with my makeup and my face. If you haven't done this before, please try to apply your makeup with your fingers. Try to apply your foundation and let it melt and sink into your skin, and you can reach every corner. And you should try this because of the body warmth or the warmth of your hands. The makeup will melt into your skin. Try it, give it a try, it looks so beautiful. I want a little bit of glimmer, shimmer and glamour, and to radiance my skin I use Charlotte Tilbury's Flawless Filter. Make sure to press it softly into your skin so the Charlotte Tilbury filter, Flawless Filter, can melt with makeup. My skin has a little shine right now, but not too much. And then I set the whole thing with a touch of powder, just enough to tone down the strongest shine points, but not so much that the skin loses its natural shine. You can also put some powder onto your eyelids because it helps the eye makeup to last longer or to stay longer. I've already done my eyebrows. I think everyone has their own routine, and with a little practice you can get it perfect too. And now we close our eyes. I'm now taking a light base tone that has a little tiny shimmer particle in it, and I'm applying it all over the eye, or let's say over the eyelid. And it makes a big difference if the eyelids look even, and don't forget the inner corner and the outer corner. Take a blending brush and a light brown shade or color, and you can play around with the color and just work the eyeshadow back and forth on the lid, back and forth like a windshield wiper. Really, just imagine how a windshield wiper works, and then make back and forth movements from left to right. I know I said this before, but if you do this a lot, back and forth, you will have a really great expressive look. You can also put a little bit of your color underneath your eyelashes. This also makes the eye look bigger. At this moment I love the Mary Kay waterproof eyeliner. I really love it. It stays the whole day and it's kind of a natural brown. Here comes another little trick for you. Before I apply the actual eyeliner, I make small lines and dots because the skin is no longer as tight as it used to be, and then I can later connect the eyeliner into a nice complete line. Okay, I don't have a screen or mirror in front of me, I swear. I can't really see what I'm doing right now. I close my eyes just to show you how close you have to go to the lashes so the eyeliner will look perfect. I am still drawing, but I can get there without pulling the skin. And you can easily pull the skin on the eyelid quite easily. And then I add a little wing on the top by going up one notch higher than my eyelid. If you work in really small steps or really tiny steps by drawing lines, line after line, on your eyelid as close as you can to the lashes, it will be the perfect eyeliner, just step by step. Sometimes I bend the mascara brush to get better to the root of the lashes. If you apply with a lot of pressure on the root, you will get a lot of volume. This is a professional trick, and if you go as close as possible and get as close as possible, as much as possible color to the root of your lashes, you will get an amazing look. If you haven't tried this before, give it a try and apply mascara in small steps. If you apply mascara in several steps, it will be nice without clumping. Just apply it step by step, just like I do it. As a professional makeup artist and an ex-model, I do this for many years. I use the Fix Plus spray before putting on any other kind of makeup or blush or some bronzer or any kind onto my face. I just use the Fixing Plus spray before doing any more steps. The more I age, the more I prefer a cream blush. Don't worry, it stays like a powder brush, but it gives your skin that healthy, plumpy look, and it stays really well. And if you are not sure, just blend as I do it up to my ears, and it looks perfect. This is a soft pink blush from MAC. And if you're really unsure, you can go over it again with a brush to blend it all together a little bit. I found a new favorite lip liner. It's a kind of red and it's soft, and it's right now, it's an orange tone. You see me before working with my hands, but this is kind of the key for this extra glass skin look over 50. You just have to work with your hands. Work as much as possible with your hands to blend the colors, because this gives you this extra look. To make my lipstick last longer, I put some powder onto my lips, but to be honest, it's kind of dry, but I will put some lip gloss over it and you will see the result is amazing. Now it's time for the perfect lip. I want some kind of vibrant look, and I mix a soft orange color lip liner with a classic red lipstick. Just by drawing it step by step in small sections, I will make sure that my lipstick will last a really long time. However, I apply powder and makeup to my lips before applying lipstick to ensure that it lasts longer. Additionally, it goes without saying that the lips feel matte. The lip liner doesn't move around as smoothly, but it stays on for a very long time. I will show you what I do to make it last a long time and look natural. I first draw the outline and the top of the bottom. And then I kiss a cosmetic tissue to get rid of too much lipstick. And then I do the same procedure again, because I want to blend and to connect the lipstick with the lip liner, and that's the perfect result. Now as you can see, I did my last step, and it was putting on some lip gloss, and I hope you really like the result. Leave me a comment if it works for you. I hope it works for you. See you in my next video. Have a good time. Be blessed. Bye bye.